She asked me if I experience Tommy cheated on me, and Roxy just keep following me. What are you following me for? What?
She don't carry a house key. She don't carry a car key, but she never leaves home without the.
I believe I can touch the sky. I
I'm smoking pot and now I'm high.
Talking to I'm talking to a camera. But thanks for watching. Yeah.
I'm escape while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Morning! Hello! Anyway guys, I just come in from dropping her off. But my puppy is hungry. I never fed him yet. I don't feed my puppy. Roxy's looking tad. I'm looking tad. I'm looking tad. No, I'm looking tad. Ang tad na ba humpan tad? Tad na ba humpan tad? Noxy, no bites, no bitey. I said no bitey. You eat this. Oh, eat this. That's why. That's your breakfast. That's your breakfast. Na monkey. The monkey is your breakfast. Eat the head first. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go out. Do you wanna go out? And I'm going to feed my baby. My baby. I feed the cat first. Oh my god. And then I will feed the dog. Tom and I very worried about Hobbs. Yeah, we're worried about Hobbs because he's having his allergy again. He is a kind of cat that allergic on everything, scented stuff. Like I put. This is the thing. Hobbs like the Suavitel. He doesn't have effect of Suavitel. You know, the laundry detergent, not the laundry softener. He doesn't have any problem with that. But the other day when we don't have Suavitel and I forgot to pick up at Costco. So what happened was I picked up downtown. I washed my bed sheets, our clothes, and Hobbs is kinda like that day that I did that. Later on, his lips, he's always in the lips area or the nose. His lips is swollen big, and we notice it slowly, like it's just keep going. It's swollen, baby, come here. Look, it's swollen. Oh, you have a hanging lips under it. Oh, you have a big lips. Did you eat your breakfast? Yeah, look at that. Did you eat your breaky? Huh? Come here. Come to mama. Oh, look on the baby now. Oh, we love you so much, Bugty Bug. We love you very much, Bug. The dog is outside. Do you want some turkey? Tuki? I'm gonna give him turkey because he loved the refrigerator too, guys. He loved to be here. Look up, turkey up. Oh my god. He is. That's your turkey. Baby. Look. That's your turkey. Yes, I love you. We love you so much, Bug. You're the only boy we have. It's big. Did you notice that? Yeah, it's swollen. In person, it's big. We tell the difference because we know him personally, and he is loving, always everywhere, in bed, always with us. Last night he doesn't even want to play with me. He liked to play with me under the bed, like I do, like this, move my hand under the blanket, and he liked it. And suddenly he just like, you wanna come here that I can cut your turkey? Okay, good boy. Oh, somebody asking me, where is my phone? Someone asked me about Tommy. Hold on. Noemi Karaeg. She asked me if I experienced Tommy cheated on me, and if he did it to me before. No. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna like no. He never did that. He never did it. Tommy is not kind of person like that. If he is a cheater and he did something very suspicious, I probably my jealousy probably will get worse, but it get better, and I'm not like crazy freak like before. So yeah, that's really it. If Tommy is a cheater, and I know for sure, even though, you know, he's not that kind of person, guys. He is way different. And Roxy, what are you doing? Listen to me, ha? Yung magra-rice ako kasi gusto ko yung magkaroon ng laman. Lamanan pa natin yung katawan natin kasi parang payat-payat pa rin ako. I'm dreaming in a white Christmas. Christmas is done. I really want Christmas all the way, all the time, every day. And what I was saying is I'm going to make some rice because I'm planning to make the bagoong with tomato before the tomato go bad. That's my reason, okay? Not because I want some bagoong. I just want the tomato won't go bad. Yun lang, guys. It's very gloomy. Oh my god. It's light. We have lightning ba yun, guys? Lighting. We have lightning here, and then suddenly when the lightning is really like flashes in our faces when I was in the living room, the thunders follow. The thunder. Oh my god, the dog, guys, so loud. The dog jumped and then bark, and I don't know, they never heard that kind of noise, like very loud thunder. They freaked out. The cat was in the box, and then the cat house especially. Oh my god, nahubag-hubagan na yung mga anak ko, guys. Nahubag-hubagan na. They have a lot of butoy-butoy. Anyway, they have a lot of bumpy in their skin because of the nervous. Still thundering. It's still have thunder. Yeah, I was planning to go to my house today, but and then suddenly it's not because it's raining, it's because I want to be here when my husband's here, and I'm just trying to open this rice and transfer it in the container because we have a container for rice and it's empty now. The rain is just keep going like Banachi. Rain hard, stop, no sun. Hubs went flying into the second floor when the thunder is crazy. Roxy just keep following me. What are you following me for? What? I just give you extra, and then you just keep following me. Oh my god, yung rice ko, guys. Roxy! Ay na. Why you have to just like, yung rice ko, nagbukal-bukal. It's been boiling. I don't have my rice cooker here. The rice cooker is in the other house. So, that's why. Hi, guys! Ay, nako, guys. Sobrang boring. Sobrang boring, guys. Itong wire na to. Sa ato. Itong wire na to, nakikita nyo? Maraming wire dito, actually. Para yan sa, ano yung itim na nakikita nyo? Saan ba? Yun, yung itim na yun. Ano yun? Ano ba yun? Projector yan. Project like this. And I don't have a plan for today. I guess just the same day. I'm sorry, guys, if the vlog lately is boring. I'm sorry, guys, if the vlog lately is boring because I don't really have nothing done much. I'm trying to say that hopefully next week Tommy and I go to the house together and with my sister-in-law helping us to do something. Yung sa bahay kasi na guys, na nakikita na mo, hindi talaga yan resolve yung mga problema na nahanap namin sa bahay. Hi guys, good morning, Roxy. Today, guys, is Thursday, and ito, hi Rox. Hello Rox. What do you feel like? What do you feel like? Rox, it's so windy outside, Rox. You have water on top of your thing, huh? Did you just drink water? Roxy, did you just drink water, baby? Daming problema. Damo problema, again. Damo damo. Problema, damo. Roxy, help me, Roxy, Rox. Help me, Rox, help me. Help me, Roxy, na baby ni mama na. Ano ba mangyari? Baligya na lang nato na. May baligya na lang nato ang balay. We just have to sell the house. We just have to sell the house. We just have to sell our house. We just have to sell our house. We have to do that. We have to sell our house. Roxy, help me. Help me, Roxy. Ang halaman nunay sari-sari. Bahay. Hindi na ako nakalimutan ko na, guys. I forgot the song. I'm looking for Tommy. I don't know where he is. Oh, he's here. What are you doing? What is this popping out? What's this?
What?
That's sensitive. A lot of function in there. I don't even know.
I have no idea.
Dito ako ngayon sa guys, sa Asian store Soman Malagkit. I'm gonna try this one. How much is this? $1. So let's see. I don't know. Oh, this is the kasaba, Soman kasaba. Naghahanap ako ng guys, ano ba yun? Yung malunggay na dahon. Wala akong makita. So I can't find any malunggay leaves here. They have paper leaves. Okay. I like that. Maghanap tayo ng chicheria. Chicheria na gusto na matry ng asawa ko. Hold on. Meron silang V-cut. Pero ayaw ko yun eh. Clover. I like clovers. I'm gonna get one. They have crackling too. Ang sarap nitong crackling ba yan, no? This is yummers too. I'm gonna get one of that. I'm gonna get one of this. 29 only. And I'm gonna get the cheese ring for Tommy. So, yeah. Marami naman sila. I'm not getting any noodles because we have noodles in the house. I don't even use it. The last time I make the noodles, yun, para siyang sobrang anghang talaga. Tignan natin dito pag may shucks. Ito, this is what I really wanted. Yung bangos. Isa lang na bangos kunin ko, guys, kasi I have to get some more vegetables. Tingnan natin if they have shampoo here. I know they have some palmolive here. No, wala silang palmolive ngayon. Ano to? Ayaw ko ng ganyan, mga frozen na hindi ko sure. Ito, sure ako dito. Oh, meron silang saging, oh. Tignan nyo, guys. Hinog ba to? Oh, steam sa bananas. Natural healthy foods. Gusto ko to. Oh, nag-iba siya. This looks different, guys. The turon looks different. Ubi na naman siya. Ubi. Ready to fry. Ubi. I'm gonna try it. I'm also looking for a... Maghanap ako ng... wala sila dito eh. Parang... Hindi dito. Coconut milk. Okay, I get 2 of this. Dalawa lang kunin ko. Saka, I'm gonna go look for another What is it, guys? Yung bagoong. So, oh, they have pomelo right here. Okay. Find the bagoong. I hope they still have it. I'm gonna get another one of this. Calamansi. Nasaan na yung bagoong? I think they don't have it here now. The bagoong that I found, it's right here, sisig. Let me see. I can't find it. Hindi ko na siya makita ito. It's right here. It's just right here. I found it.
Yeah, that's how she does things. Alright, enjoy the gym.
No gem for you.
Thanks. She said no gym for you. She said, how about that Frank?
I need my phone there. And I need to... Oh shit, my foot. Why you say that?
Because.
It's all about... I came here just because of the vlog?
Right.
Are you kidding me?
That's why you don't want to drive. Because you need to vlog.
Look, because I want to eat. I'm hungry. I haven't had lunch, guys. And then you want... Oh my G, Tommy.
She wants to vlog. First thing she did is turn on the camera.
Ay, goodness to you.
First thing.
I'm gonna open this. I get this
She
for
don't
you.
carry a house key. She don't carry a car key, but she never leaves home without the camera. Ever.
What the heck is going
If she's
on with
going-
this
If
man?
she's going to pee, she takes the camera.
Are you kidding me, guys? Did you see me peeing, guys?
Big ass van.
Where? Oh yeah, that's a big one. What is that? It's just Mazda again.
Ram. It's a Ram.
It's Emo. That's a delivery car. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna open this, guys, for him, guys.
Nothing for me. What do you want for me? Nothing for me.
A new food kind of thing, Filipino. More Filipino food over there, guys, like a yam cake, stuff like that.
Oh, right. Yam cake, you get the purple yams.
No, that's in individual bag, and it's expensive for that. You know, few bags. It's 12 small bags in there, 12 bucks. This is
Cheese puffs.
man. What's out? And there's a coon.
You got?
No, that's not a security guy. Guys, just let Tommy close to the car because there is a guy that watching over there. Have a nice seafoods over here, guys. No, I found some munggo, yung manga, guys, na matamis sa atin. Ano ba to? Tolfo. Si Tolfo nagbabalita. Yun, at saka ginger para sa munggo. How much each? 3 each? 4 bucks. You just get like 2 because, you know.
I'll get 3 of these.
Honey,
You buy 3 on sale. I want to get, but I want to get. She won't eat the chocolate.
chocolate for you. For you? Nothing for you, baby. Ito, oh. Masarap ba to? It's a fudge brownie. I thought you like the curly one. Yeah, that one. Yun lang binili namin, guys. Pasta, graham, at saka mayonnaise. Bagong haircut, guys, no? Ano, saya. You have a lot of that, though. You can get a few of that. Don't get too many because,
I only get 1. We don't
Yeah.
use enough to like.
yeah. Okay, we're done here. Okay, she said we're not quite. Oh, I have one in the house.
Sure.
Yeah. I don't like going into that grocery store area. Different ShopRite area. It's ridiculously busy. And I'm going to try this thing, guys. The suman malagkit. So I never had this before, so let's try it.
Get money, you're the one spending money. So I guess.
I just can cook rice and put sugar in it. It's just like rice. I love you.
Did you point to the camera?
I love you too.
Yeah, thanks.
I love you, hon.
I love you too. After the camera.
I love you, hon.
Love you too, hon.
What I'm trying to say is I miss the fact that the taste of the banana leaves.
If I went to a doctor and paid him to remove my appendix, and then I died of appendicitis because he didn't remove it, I could sue him. So if I pay the city to fix potholes and my car gets ruined because of the pothole, I should be able to sue them too, because they're not using that money to do what they claim to do with it.
So why don't you sue them?
Start making this public opinion and create a
Story.
no
Or
create,
just
create a
blah, blah.
public outcry. Create people, get them thinking and start complaining about government. And watch how quick everybody goes. Government will send people out.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think
I've been
about
smoking pot, now I'm high. That's why I believe that I can fly.
I believe I can soar. You keep me running through that open doors. I believe.
But I really just went to the store. And I bought some mango beans and more.
No, he's going to park over
I don't
here.
believe he can park. Am I fly? I don't believe he can park.
It's crazy people in here.
Drive like crap.
Can't even drive properly. Holy cow, deliberate. If you're going to turn, hurry up. Step the gas.
Huh?
Oh, there's cops in there. My God.
That's a nice house.
That's a nice house.
It's a nice piece of property. It's not big.
Yeah.
It's a nice piece
It's
of
a nice
property.
piece of property. I like this house right here. It smells like poopy all the time. Every time I walk past in this house when I was working, oh gee, that house is ridiculously smell. Every time I pass it, it smells like poop in there. Like, I think the exhaust of the whatever in the toilet came out into that.
Maybe they got one of those stink trees. Maybe they got one of those stink trees.
Oh, there is a stink
Ooh,
trees.
yeah. Nasty stink trees.
It's really stinky. I said, what these people over there?
They make these little orange.
What's that
round,
one?
these little round orange things. Come over like a beigey orange.
Yeah.
And they stink. It's like, holy shit.
Hi, Yabs. Okay. We get hot food from sa ShopRite. At saka guys, kumuha ako nito guys, look. Spanish bread. What is it, holiday?
It's not a holiday.
Okay.
I'm aware.
The cheese thing. They give me this one, Han. The owner of the Asian store for free. Coconut milk. And I get five fried sardines, hot and spicy. 2 of that. And also got another fil-am bagoong and frozen lumpia. And this, the turon, it's a different kind of turon. It's obe, bok choy, cracklings, and my favorite, ito rin guys, the skyflakes, the garlic flavor. My tummy is cooking us pasta with sausage and pork, and puro pork na lang lahat. Beef yung meatballs. I have my crackers. I put it in the bag just in case when I'm traveling. I did it intentionally. I got the skyflakes crackers because, for example, if I travel and I kind of like want to eat something. Who said you're a German Shepherd? You're not a German. You're Filipina. You are Filipina, Rox. Yes, you are a Filipina Shepherd. Yes, you are. You're a Filipina. Meron na akong naka-upload na video. Naka-upload na siya. Ang gagawin ko na lang, what I'm gonna do next is make a thumbnails, make a title. Time check, it's 5:54 already in the evening. It's 7 o'clock already,
Oh, yeah, you
guys.
can live a healthier life. You take this, but but the side effects could be, liver failure, kidney failure, and possible death. But you won't leak into your
The dog.
always does.
And the dog is crazy. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna call them. Roxy! What are you guys doing? What do you think you're doing? Huh? What do you think you're doing? It's cold out here. Oh goodness, this dog. Come in. Come in. Okay, keep going.
She couldn't try and do it the old-fashioned way.
Somebody's jealous. Somebody's jealous. Okay, insert shout out to Gigi Forsyth. You know, I'm gonna put the spelling here. Gigi. Shout out to his YouTube name is Philo in the Philippines. His wife, it's already here in the US. She came here last month, February 4th, and they're married in 20. Wow! Congratulations! But I really don't know the name. I know they sent me the name, but I forgot to screenshot it. Thank you, Philo in the Philippines, and hi to your wife, and congratulations to both of you, and welcome to America, says your wife. And shout out to Tita Carlos. Hi, Tita Carlos. Thank you for watching. And also shout out to Florence. Thank you for watching. Shout out to my friend Ami Cayetano. Hi Ami, thank you for watching, and thank you for watching my vlog all the time. And yeah, you kabaliw ka naman. Tagali. Kisses to you, baby. And it's so cute. And she has a channel, Ami Cayetano. To Chicey Johnson. Hi sis. Ang collab natin ha. Huna-hunain na natin. Ang atong collab sis, hunain na natin kung ano to. She have a channel, Chicey Johnson also, and yeah, you guys check their channel. And if you wanna be in my shout out, please leave the comment down below. And if you do like this video, guys, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed in this channel, please the subscribe button also, guys. It's right there. It's free. It's not gonna kill you. So guys, nag-ano na tayo, guys, nag 200 plus 2,000 plus na subscribers tayo, guys. Pataasin pa natin, guys. Thank you for all your support, and I really do appreciate it. And kahit masakit na yung ulo ko, hala, sige pa rin, kutab-kutab pa rin baba. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
Go to your mama.
No.
Go ahead, you can go to your mama if you want.
No. Come on, you jealous. Come on, Dada. Come to Dada. Go. Talk to them.
Is that water boiled yet?
Talk to them.
Is the water boiled yet? I'm not talking to nobody. I'm not talking to a camera. Bye guys, I'm shutting the camera off. She can turn it back on and talk to you when she's back. Not my thing. But thanks for watching. Yeah.
Good night, guys. Night. I will see you tomorrow. Say good night, Han. I'm not doing it. Say good night.
Night.
Night. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Right, baby. The wet and very wild. You guys wanna see what Tommy looks like without us?